What do you have to do if you lost your phone? So you gotta go to this app right here, which is Find My iPhone. You're gonna open it and you're gonna sign in. Once your password is in, just tap on go, and now it's gonna look for your phones, for your devices, and then you're gonna in this case I'm just gonna tap on Not Now. But as you can see right here on the bottom, I have 3 more devices, and one of my phones was stolen. And here I have the iPhone 5 and this is the iPhone 4. But I totally forgot the names of my devices, and I erased 2 phones at the same time, so I lost all the data in these 2 devices. Let's pretend that this one right here on top was stolen or is lost. So just tap on it and then tap on this phone, and this is the first option right here, and if you tap it, you're gonna hear a sound. So that's the sound, and once you unlock the phone, the sound is gonna stop. So let's move on into the other option right here. If you wanna lock it, you can just tap on lost mode, and the phone is gonna be locked. And the third one, and the one that I used, was this one right here, erase phone, because my device was stolen and I knew that I wasn't gonna get it back, so I had to delete all my data because I had some browsers open and all that stuff, photos, and I didn't want that person to see my information, so I had to erase it. So you only tap here on erase, and the app is gonna erase your phone. Once you do that, you can just go back, tap on sign out again, and that's it. I really recommend, if you lose your phone or if it was stolen, just erase your phone. Don't take any risk on your files or your pages that you have open. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.